In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from the main Squarespace site into your account dashboard, open your website for editing, and add a custom code block to build your own Instagram-style link and bio page. Start by heading to the Squarespace Create Your Website page. This is the gateway into the platform and works whether you're starting a brand new site or returning to one you've already set up. If you're new, you'll see options to start a trial or explore templates. If you already have an account, that's fine. We're using this page simply as a clean entry point. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the profile icon. Click it to bring up your account options. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in, and you may be asked for two-step verification. Make sure you're using the correct account that owns or has access to the site you want to edit, especially if you manage multiple sites. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to your central hub, where you can see your sites, subscriptions, and settings in one place. It's a useful checkpoint to confirm you're in the right environment before you start editing. In the dashboard, click on Website. This section lists the sites connected to your account. Select the site you want to work on to open its management view. If you manage more than one site, double-check the site title and thumbnail so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. Next, click into the website again to enter the editor, then open Pages, and choose Edit on the page you want to use for your link and bio. You can repurpose an existing page or use a blank page you've already created. The goal here is to get into the editing canvas where you can add content blocks. Inside the editor, click Add Block, then choose the Code block. Paste your custom code to create your own Instagram link in bio page. Keep your HTML simple and your links clearly labeled. If you're adding styles, you can use inline CSS within the code block for quick tweaks, or reference your site styles for consistent fonts and colors. Aim for a clean mobile-first layout with large tap targets, minimal text, and concise link labels. Test each link to ensure it opens correctly, and keep the number of links focused so visitors don't feel overwhelmed. Note that custom code displays exactly as written, so review spacing, contrast, and accessibility. At this point, your custom link in bio section is in place. Tweak the design until it matches your brand, and you're all set to use it wherever you share your profile.